So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be with my friend Noobsthesedays2, because we're going to be playing one of the new popular games called Zombie Attack. So, you guys should definitely check this game out because it's obviously really good. Well, I don't think you guys know yet, but so yeah, I don't know who this person is. So, let's begin. Looked like they had added a new map, so that's cool. If you don't like loud noises, I would recommend not playing this game. Yeah. So, I just started playing this game yesterday and I got really addicted at the time. Let's just say I got addicted to dumb games really quick, but I don't think this is one of those dumb games. I mean, I got addicted to a game called Snow Shoveling Simulator, which I played last time for you guys, which it was a really bad quality video. I'm sorry for that, by the way. So, we're going to be focusing on, I don't know, actually. I don't know that there is anything to focus on, but what wave are we on? 24. So when you get the sniper, I'd recommend using it for a while because it pretty much one or two shots everything. Because I mean, it's a sniper. So why wouldn't it do that? Is the webcam any good right now? Let me move it down. Alright, I'm really low right now. I don't know who Cookie is. Oh, iWasCookie. There he is. Scott pop pop. I don't know. It's stuck in my head. Don't ask. Tank Angel. The angels probably give you some of the most XP besides the boss, which the waves just keep going until everyone gets eliminated. So it normally lasts for a very long time because there's usually at least one person that's pretty strong. So yeah. As you might be able to see, I'm not very tall, so you can't see me very well on the webcam. I could probably get a taller chair for you guys. Alright, hey, yeah, as I told you, I'm getting a bigger chair. So, yeah. I hope you, well, yeah, I'm probably gonna maximize this videos. Rip. Alright. So well, as you could tell, the tank zombies are a lot bigger than the normal zombies. Ugh. So yeah. So alright, it looks like that guy's gonna die, so I'm gonna try to save him. Oh, that guy's about to die, I think. Yep, about so. Oh, and by the way, there's someone named iWasCookie in this server, and he's a YouTuber, and he's a lot better than me. But so you should definitely go to subscribe to him. Also, go subscribe to Ninja Makai's channel. He's cool. Make sure you find the channel where 26 or 7 subscribers, somewhere around there. Because the other one isn't really that good. It's kind of more. It's only introductory on that one. I think he quit. Alright. So, yeah. I'll have a lot of commentary planned. Sorry for the background noises, guys. Sorry for the piano in the back. Yeah, there's a lot of background noise. Alright, so I hope this background noise isn't too bad. I'll play one more wave. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, ow. See, the boss has 2 powers. He can, you'll see him. He could do that. It's his main attack, but and he can also do that. So, yeah. Oh. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.